I did not receive a single birthday gift this year. I just cut the cake that was just बहुत जैसे तैसे आ गया था बस. So I cut that cake. I ate the food that was cooked at home. Yes, I did not go out anywhere. And yeah, I just cried little bit. और मैं सो गई. That's it. That was how I celebrated my birthday. But what's the point of me telling you all this? See, I'm telling you all this to make you realize that you don't need to expect anything from anybody. Just grow up, make your own money, and use that to celebrate your birthdays. Celebrate yourself. जब बड़े हो जाओ अपने पैसे कमाओ and celebrate your birthdays like a festival. नहीं मना पा रहे अभी, don't expect anybody to do that. खुद करना. That's it.